He's messing with his daughter. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the family. I hope everybody is doing amazing. I think I say it all the time, but honestly, I hope everybody is doing awesome, because life's short. Be awesome, be cool, be you. Anyway, in today's video, I've decided to film a quick little vlog, a day in the life vlog. It's really quick. So, realness to the fullest. Very bare, no, you know, nothing on. Now, it's actually Tuesday. I've been out and running errands and stuff, and I meant to film earlier runs, but my battery was dead. So I thought I'd film, you know, the rest of the day. Excuse the glare. That's probably a bad angle. Sorry, the mascara's all over. But yes, I wanted to also film what I actually picked up at Ikea. I did not make it a separate video because honestly, I didn't get much. But I did get like 2 items I've been wanting. And they were a little on the pricier side. And I didn't want to just film a video of like 3-4 things. So I'm gonna share that with you in this video, so stick around so you guys just see what I picked up. I am actually really excited about one item. I've been wanting that item for a while. Hi, mama. Say hi to the family. Excuse her. Yeah, hide that, mommy. Anyway, it's baby Jalen. She's a little bit on the teething end today. You can see dry tears. She's been a little fuzzy. You don't want to talk today? You're nervous. You're shy. Don't be shy. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, we are actually right now waiting on Daddy because we want.
Go down. Come on.
Excuse that, guys.
Excuse the hair.
Say hi, bae.
Haven't had a haircut.
Say hi to the family, bae. Say hi to the family.
What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back. It's
That
Nelly.
took a while. So we are waiting on Daddy. As you can see. It was the dogs, the neighbor's dogs. He woke him up with something. I'm doing this angle because he's still working pretty hard and has been doing, and it looks amazing on our pergola. And
the pergola's done.
Yeah, like the actual pergola is done, but he's working on, like, I don't want to say too much because we're gonna reveal it, you know, when it's done. But they're Mr. Hard Worker over there. Yeah, we're waiting on him, and then we're gonna head to Hobby Lobby. Say hi.
Hey guys, there's I don't know if you want to call that a challenge or whatever, but it's coming soon.
Oh yeah, Yo-Yo is gonna do a challenge on our channel, so you better like stick around.
I'm a little shy, but hey, I'm gonna break that shyness this weekend. Y'all watch.
He's actually really shy. He's kind of camera shy, so I'm surprised. He's really been opening up to you guys. He really likes you guys. We are actually working on baby Jalen's first year birthday. It's next month. Mama Jalen is gonna be a year. So we're working on picking up decor pieces and stuff like that. So I need to go to Hobby Lobby.
To my favorite coffee place. Na, 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 na.
It's Starbucks.
Come on, boy.
Starbucks. Yeah, guys, so if you're a returning subby, much love. Thank you for joining us in our craziness. And if you're new here, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Join us.
Hit that bell. Hit that bell too.
Oh yeah. And
might as well.
Alright, so one of the things we did pick up at Ikea was this drying rack, because honestly, we don't use our dishwasher that much. So we always dry our dishes, like we were drying them on our countertops, and we noticed to like kind of like stain our counters. So we picked up this little like drying rack thing from Ikea. Johan saw it and it's like, let's pick it up. It does its purpose, it serves its purpose. You know, we like the dark color because obviously we have dark cabinets and stuff, so we do like it. To be honest, I think we could have probably bought 2 just to make it bigger, because not a lot fits on here. So it's pretty cool. Like, you know, the water just runs here, and we have a little spoon thing holder. So that's what we bought. That's one of the things we bought at Ikea, a drying rack. I've just been accustomed to washing the dishes by hand, I guess, growing up and stuff. So we also picked up these spice racks from Ikea. The Begbam, I don't know. I don't know, whatever guys, this Spice Rex. So it's a little project that I'm gonna film for you guys. I've been working and it's a DIYer. DIY, right? Not DIY.
DUI?
Or DUI. Guys, I always said DUI. So stick around for that video. And we also got this. It's still in the box. So we picked up Jabin's bed from Ikea. It's still in the box because I'm actually still working on his bedroom. They're still in the process of working on it. So it's still in the box. I just need to get it out. I'll put a picture right here of the type of style we got. We are more of a modern style, so we like that it's more modern look. Woo! I'm out of breath, man. I need to like get working on myself. I'm gonna show you what I've been wanting, and I'm so excited, and it's still in the process. And I'll probably also film a little video about like how I decorated it. So excited to show you guys. Da, 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 da. Oh, look, Jamin's toy. It's a glass top. So cute. So we are modern, but I also like glammy. So we made a compromise that this is gonna be like my space, my area, my work area, so I can, you know, edit, film, makeup, whatever. So it's this little desk, and it has a little like has a little drawer to put my stuff in. And it's a glass top, so it's like a little glammy. So I'm super excited to decorate my little space in the home. Like it's my little area, so I will be doing that. Here's my little notebook. Start each day with a grateful heart. Yes, every day, guys. There's my little grateful heart. This is actually my grateful journal. So this is where I write stuff that I'm grateful for. So yeah, that's my little haul. And let me know if you want to see my end result of the creation of my desk. I'm so excited. I already know like my chair and everything I want. So, and we are here.
Guys, we are Gabi Labi.
Oh yeah, he calls it Gabi Labi. Oh yeah, my dad. It's Hobby Lobby, but my dad calls it Gabi Labi for some reason. Spanish. I always like the entrance because they have like all these cute stuff. Look at that.
I found me some fiddle leaf.
We're in the search for fiddle leaf for our living room.
Nah, that's too expensive. Well, it's 50% off.
No.
$50.
But it's too short.
Babe, remember we gonna do this little DIY base thing in my jigger to raise it up a little.
Right. Oh, look at that lemon tree, it's so cute. But yeah, guys, 50%
Let's get
off.
an olive tree better. Let's put it in the kitchen.
No, we're good. Yeah, we've been looking for fiddle leaves, so I think we found one. Maybe. We want one for the living room. No, it's a little too short. Like for the kids' room, it would be nice.
You know, with the base, it's gonna go about this much up.
That's not much. What you guys think? What you guys think? You guys think it's cute? You guys think it's cute? I'm actually here for like florals and stuff. They're so pretty. He's messing with his daughter. Picture?
You wanna marry me?
Sure.
Here you go. Catch, babe.
Oh my god. This guy. What did your daddy do? What? So we just left Hobby Lobby and I picked up like 4 things. We are starving, so we came to a local restaurant. It's a local owned, like a locally owned restaurant. It's burgers and hot dogs to eat. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we're back. We actually just came back from eating some burgers like in a local spot. They were delicious. Like I said, we did go to Hobby Lobby and we picked up the fiddle leaf that we kind of showed you there. So here it is. Just wanted to share with you guys. Excuse the mess. Yeah, it's a little fiddle leaf. We bought it, but we're not quite sure if we're gonna keep it or not quite yet. I still gotta get a base for it because I don't like the base it came with. It says $59.99, but it was actually, they have stuff for like 50% off. They got stuff for 50% off at your Hobby Lobbies. I don't know if every Hobby Lobby is the same, but mine did. No. We did go to Target too. He picked up some stuff, but I didn't pick up anything. No, he got some shoes and shirt. I think we're gonna end the vlog here. And I gotta get these kids wrapped up for the evening, for night, for bed. There's the team. You gonna say something to the fam?
What's up, fams?
And he's gonna become a high schooler. Boy. Bittersweet because my little one is gonna be a high schooler. And that's a little sad. But yes, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend. And good vibes. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. So you want me to do it like this? Bye, guys.
Bye, my channel.
Like that?
It's a little too much.
The pro showing me.
Bye, guys.